Okay, so I just came outside, and this is what I'm right now dealing with. Ow, heck, that feels like hail, but it's not. It's actually just snow. What the? This is probably one of the worst storms we've had in a while. Okay. What? Hi, bud. Hi. So, yeah, this is what's going on. This is snow. I would have thought it would have been rain by now. It's not even freezing. Oh wait, never mind, it is. Jeez. Oh, wait a second. Jeez. Bro. This is insane. Jeez. Whoa. It's literally just nothing. It's literally just nothing out here. Wow. I'm gonna try to get my phone to see it better, because I think the lens on my phone just got wet. I'm gonna try to find it better. Yeah, this is not the right spot. But as you guys can see, all over there, just nothing. All is just snow. Wow. Jeez. Yeah, we definitely haven't had a storm like this. And the snow's just turning. Snow just falls flat, right? At least the last couple of times. It just falls flat. It doesn't like curve like that. This is amazing. Wow.